So this is in reference to the question that has to do with writing, and the question was, is there a practice book or a separate book for writing? So first of all, the writing, if the writing notebook is the tool that has been intended to be asked about. So this is actually all a downloadable. All of these are downloadable. So this there is no placed or saved or resource that is available in there. But once you select any of these workshops, so when you select any of these workshop and you want to start the assignment, the entire assignment can be exported to PDF. So any of these assignments with the rubrics, with the resources for this particular workshop can be downloaded as a PDF, and it can be made as a handout to all of these students. The same workshops are already available in the book itself. So if you go to the resource library, so there was another question that if there is a separate book, there is no separate book. Actually, it is in the same book, in the same workshop book, or in the same reading writing companion. I will try to find this writing activity straight from the text set itself. So usually you can find these at the end of any text set. So I'm going to navigate and just show you in the book where you can find the same writing exercise. So I'm just flipping around these texts, and as you can see, there are writing opportunities in every page, and at the end you are going to see all of the writing. So let me just navigate here and respond to writing. I'm going to navigate. Take a few seconds. So this is the third lesson in the unit, and the workshop, just give me 1 second. So students will encounter the writing workshop at the end of the unit. So I'm okay. So this is the end of the text set, and you can see this writing workshop, and students can do that on their book. So they have the plan, they have the draft, and the 5 steps of writing: revise, edit, and publish. So this is directly connected to what they have learned, and the writer's workshop are additional workshops in which they can perform this writing exercise in addition to what they have. So that is, if the question was about a separate book, these are downloadable and they can be exported to PDF. Now let me show you the download. So everything you want, all of the documents, the revise, the edit and the proofread, the publish, all of these are available as PDFs, and they can be shared with your students.